Right, for those that you've got the DJI Neo, I just found out how to make it go faster. For some of you it might be a bit slow when you're using the controller. It's very slow when you're using it using the phone, but that's understandable. But if you're using the controller, either the DJI RC2 or the DJI N controllers that you've paired with it, this is how you make it faster. So you connect your Neo to your controller, you press on the three dots there, you go into control there, then you go into gain and expo tuning, which is a weird place to do, but you go in there and you've got the various speeds in the different modes. So in cine mode, it's already set to its maximum at 2 meters per second, which you would understand. In normal mode, you see that max horizontal speed is set to 4 meters per second, so you can increase that right up to 6 meters per second. And why wouldn't you? The others are fine. In sport mode, you've got it set to 7 meters per second, so you can increase that up to 8 meters per second. It's not a huge increase, but it's an increase nonetheless. So there we are. So in cine, the speed is 2 meters per second, which you would want. In normal, it's now increased to 6 meters per second. That was at 4. And in sport, it was at 7 meters per second, and it's now up to 8. So there we are. And you just go back to it, back to the screen, and that's the speed increased on the Neo. I won't fly it because it's early in the morning and it's dark outside, and they do not like flying in the dark. Okay, quick tutorial there, very interesting. We'll see what it's like a little bit later. Thanks for watching.